Learn proven steps to choose a Trex contractor, credentials, warranties, and local project proof. Decades-long warranties matter less if installation falters. Skilled installers preserve safety and coverage. Trex's composite decking, high recycled content, tiered families, and integrated components throughout. Improper installation invites failures and moisture and can void your manufacturer warranty coverage. Best means measurable proof, credentials, Trex expertise, compliance, transparency, workmanship, outcomes, mapped next. Here's our roadmap. Next, we start with Trex Pro Tier facts to ground sourcing. Trex Pro Tiers show brand engagement, not licensing. Contractor Locator displays badges, service areas, project photos. Charlotte Projects require state licensing and county oversight. IRC Guard rules apply, with amendments. Costs next. Budget accordingly for installed decking. Typical decks are 200 to 350 square feet. Trex warranties, 25 years. Before diving deeper, here is our evaluation map to guide our review today. Find installers via Trex Locator, directories, municipal lookups, and associations like NADRA, tiers, not licensing. Trex Pro Tiers reflect documented experience and standards. Use the locator for context alongside ratings too. Read ratings as signals. Weigh sample size, trends, platform consistency, narratives. Next, licensing and insurance. In North Carolina, confirm contractor licensing at $30,000, liability and workers' comp, plus bonding. Next, we cover permit. Attached or elevated decks need permits. Inspections cover footings, framing, final. Follow IRC local rule. Composite decks feel better with stiffer frames. Tighten spacing for diagonals and stairs. Fasteners next. Composites use hidden clips or face screws. Coastal areas need stainless. Next, railings and codes. Trex options. Signature aluminum, plus Transcend and Select composites. Follow typical guard codes. Stairs next. Follow IRC stair rules. Safe risers and treads, consistent heights, graspable handrails, lighting and landings. Over 10 years, composite needs far less maintenance time than wood. Next, installed cost comparison. Installed costs rise by material tier. Railings and stairs add extra. Next, we compare maintenance, lifespan, stability. Composite costs more upfront, needs less upkeep, narrowing long-term costs. Warranty coverage and exclusions next. Quick warranty rundown. Trex gets two 25-year coverages. Railings differ. Install issues excluded. Contractor labor. Next, proposal scope. Seek name products. Define systems. Itemize scope. Allowances. For fair payments and clear legal protection. Expect deposit, then milestone payments. North Carolina defers to contracts, not caps. Timelines reflect permit. Timelines flex with permit reviews, peak season lead times, and weather shifts. Portfolios prove readiness. Real portfolios beat stock, tied to time and place. Craft details show long-term installer expertise. On-site leadership coordinates tasks and communication for schedule adherence today. Next, safety and compliance basic. Protective gear, edge guards, hazard controls, utility locates, and courteous containment are standard across teams. Firms self-perform framing, subcontract electrical, concrete. Results hinge on oversight, scope, inspections, not staffing models. Change orders adjust scope or price. Allowances set budgets. Drivers, soil, hidden structure, upgrades. Next, color, heat, comfort. Dark colors absorb sun, run hotter. Lighter hues and airflow cool surfaces, allow movement gap. Composite boards expand lengthwise, set temperature-based end and side gaps. Reinforce miters or picture frame. Low clearance decks need manufacturer ventilation and drainage. Soil or impermeable proximity accelerates fastener corrosion too. Craftsmanship shows in picture-framed edges, reinforced corners, smart seam planning, precise gapping, and hardware compatibility. Preservative-treated lumber corrodes metals. Specify galvanized or stainless hardware. Confirm compatibility before lighting and accessories. Choose deck lighting styles. Size low-voltage systems. Match brands for finishes. Next, Mecklenburg County permitting. Most counties use digital portals, Mecklenburg included. Expect footing, rough, final inspections. Charlotte climate next. Charlotte's heat, humidity, and heavy rains demand rot-resistant materials, flashing, airflow, and local expert oversight. Charlotte. Example: Green Exterior Remodeling builds decks and porches. Next, we return to process quality. Consistent documentation drives predictable outcomes and inspection readiness, clarifying deliverables like cleanup and site protection. Deck projects produce debris. We protect with coverings, magnetic sweeps, stage disposal, cleanup documented formally. Together, these verifiable records show consistent quality and reliability, transitioning us into the next summer. Here's what separates top Trex deck contractors. Next, look for professionalism signals in real action. These consistent signals show professionalism. Next, we'll compare good, better, and best indicators in practice. Good covers basics, better adds programs and clarity, best proves outcomes. Next, budget and value. Expect higher upfront, lower upkeep, and mid-range ROI. Charlotte-specific factors that affect value come next. Charlotte homeowners. Secure Mecklenburg County permits. Follow IRC with local amendments. Ensure ventilation, drainage, corrosion, resistant hardware, composite-compatible flashing. Here's the recap: what we build, why it lasts, and how we prove it. Next, your confidence step. When composites and professional Trex contractors align, decks fulfill the promise: safe, easy upkeep, and beauty for decades.